Hello everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. I'm so excited to see you here today because we're diving into the wonderful world of amigurumi. If you're new to crocheting or just looking for some fresh inspiration, you're in the right place. Today, I have a fantastic lineup for you, 25 free amigurumi patterns you absolutely must make today. From cuddly animals to whimsical creatures, there's something for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out. Plus, all these patterns are available for free, so you can dive right in without breaking the bank. So grab your yarn and let's get crafting. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. Wow, that's a wrap on our 25 free amigurumi patterns you must make today. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Simply click on the Google Doc link and get access to all the patterns. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. Happy crocheting, everyone! See you next time!
We'll be right back.